Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I have a really special unboxing for you guys today. This is different than anything I think I've shared on my channel before. I got a special bundle of really fun bookish products from a company called Page One Books. I am not an affiliate, this is not sponsored. I bought these items with my very own cash money. I just think this is a really cool company. I'll have all the information in the description box below, but unfortunately this particular book bundle I think is already sold out, but the book that's in this bundle from Page One Books just released, so that's another reason I'm sharing this, is it is a new book release. And if you're interested in the book, I will put the link down below to Amazon and you can pick yourself up a copy. It's very affordable and it looks like an incredible book and I can't wait to dig in. So for all of those reasons and more, I'm gonna share with you guys my Page One unboxing. Page One sent me this book bundle in just a plain white unmarked box here. I'm covering up my area where the address was. There's nothing really exciting on the outside of the packaging, but the important thing is that all of the amazing goodies inside arrive safely and unbroken. So when you open up the box, this is what's inside. So I'm just gonna dig in and open these up one by one. This is a special bundle where I knew the book I was getting, but Page One, to my understanding, is a service where you can subscribe to them and then once a month, they will pick a book out for you and surprise you. You will fill a survey out, give them your information about all your book tastes, and then they will choose a book for you based on your information that you give them and your likes and dislikes, and they get you a book new every month. I've heard it's an incredible service. I haven't subscribed to it myself yet, but I saw on social media that they were doing a special book bundle with this book, which is beautifully wrapped, by the way. Isn't that gorgeous? That's how all of your books come wrapped. But this is a book out by Anne Bogle. It's called I'd Rather Be Reading. I pre-ordered it a couple of months ago. And I was just going to order it on Amazon and found out that they were going to put together a bundle of fun bookish things to go along with this book. So that's why I already know what's in this bundle. So normally when I would get something from Page One Books, it would all be a surprise, just so you know, if you want to check out the service. So here's the first little container to unwrap. Oh, that's right. I think I did see a picture of everything that was in the bundle the other day. They give you an LED book light. So that's awesome. It's just a plain old multi-purpose LED light, which is perfect because my husband is constantly wanting me to turn the light out in the evening when I want to keep reading my book before I go to bed. So this will solve that problem. So it looks just like a really cool little silver book light. I think I have something similar. Oh, but this is much cooler and much nicer. How cool is that? So it can bend over your book and then it just clips on to the book. So that's the first thing in the bundle. Oh, I'm so excited about this, guys. Okay, the next little package here is wrapped in tissue paper. Oh, this is so cool. Book Lovers Coffee Classic Roast Bibliophile Blend. But look at this, guys. They have made the label of the coffee to look like a library card. This is very cool. I've heard that this is incredible coffee. Okay, it says roasted with love on August 13th. So I can see when the coffee was actually made. And then it's got the quote, which Anne Bogle, who's the author of this book, quotes all the time on her What Should I Read Next podcast. Ah, how good it is to be among people who are reading. You may have heard of Anne Bogle if you listen to Bookish Podcasts. She hosts the What Should I Read Next podcast. I have been a fan of her blog and her podcast for quite a while, so I was thrilled to see that she had this book coming out. There's a bar of chocolate. How wonderful when you read. Do you want some coffee and some chocolate? Absolutely. This is organic fair trade almond salted 45% milk chocolate. I love that they put this in here. I'm doing keto right now and I have to watch my sugar intake, so this might go to my husband, but it looks like a really good chocolate bar. And then I'm gonna show you these goodies here first because it'll kind of give you a preview to the book. These are some of the freebies that Anne was offering if you pre-ordered your book. I think you had to order a couple of copies of her book or get this bundle. This is I'd Rather Be Reading. It's a really lovely bookmark. I don't know if I can get that to focus, but you'll see that in a minute when I show you the cover. And oh, I love this print. They gave a digital copy of this print as well for pre-ordering, but I'd forgotten that I was gonna get a paper copy in this bundle. This is actually the cover of her book. And what's really cool about this, if you're a book nerd, this is her exact library in her house and she had it painted and it's the cover of her book. So it says, I'd Rather Be Reading. I love this. This is gonna be framed and put in my office, clearly. And then a couple of stickers with the Rilke quote that I just read you, how good it is to be among people who are reading, a what should I read next with Anne Bogle sticker, and then she signed a book plate, which I can put inside my book, so that's great. I love this! This is a really cute mug. You know, I'm crazy about mugs. And it says, she is too fond of books and it has turned her brain. That is a famous Louisa May Alcott quote. Alcott wrote the book Little Women, if you're not familiar. Oh, you guys, look how gorgeous. All these different books. It goes all the way around the rim. I'm so excited. It's a perfect size, great handle. I cannot wait to put my morning coffee or tea in this one. Really excited about that. Any of you other book nerds out there, I thought you might appreciate these earrings I put on for this special bookish unboxing. I picked up these little book earrings at the gift shop at the New York City Public Library in Manhattan. It's one of my favorite bookstores ever, and you can shop their stuff online. I actually subscribe and get emails from them. That's how much I love their stuff. And I think these might still be available. They have other little bookish jewelry, lots of bookish jewelry actually, that runs the gamut from really affordable prices, which these were, to some rather high-end things. So if you love bookish gifts, I will put a link in the description box to the New York City Public Library online shop, so that if you want some of these, you can pick them up yourself. I love them. Thought that would be a fun little part of our bookish unboxing. And then I just double checked here. This is made actually by Carrot Top Paper Shop, which I have heard about from other Bookstagram gals. I think she's actually been on Anne's podcast. Jenny Williams designs really lovely, wonderful bookish things. I think you might be able to get this mug on her website. If you can, I will put a link for this mug in the description box. If you love bookish mugs, check out Carrot Top Paper Shop. This is one of my favorite things in the bundle. It's so, so cute. And then there's one other little bookish goodie in here before I get to the book. Oh, okay, this is so cute. I read about this. So these are book darts. Some of these products are products that Anne has sold on her website previously, and so I love that they made them part of the bundle for this book. It says, I'd rather be reading. There's 50 mixed metal book darts in here, so I can put those in my books when I'm reading. So we've got our chocolate, we've got our coffee, our mug, our stickers, our book darts. They really, really hooked us up here. Now it's time to unwrap this beautiful book. I really love this wrapping. They just have such attention to detail. I'm really excited to read this book. I thought about applying to be on the book launch team, but I am in the midst of such a very busy schedule myself right now, rehearsing a new musical, that I knew it would just be even more fun to wait until release date so that I could just unbox this and start reading it. I'm so excited. This book is absolutely gorgeous. I have seen other people show pictures of it, and it is just as beautiful as I thought it would be in person. It's a little hardbound, but it's very small. This book would be an excellent gift idea. If I have other friends and fellow book nerds in my life, they are probably gonna get this for Christmas. I'd rather be reading The Delights and Dilemmas of the Reading Life by Anne Bogle. It's just a small, lovely collection of essays all about the reading life. And guys, let's just roll over that cover for a minute, shall we? I can tell that I'm gonna wish it was longer. And as you can see, the bookmark matches beautifully along with, of course, the print that I'm going to put in my office. I love this bundle. They have really put together a great bookish bundle, a great book, and then all the lovely things that you would like to accompany having a great book. Can't wait to use my book light and make a cup of coffee. And usually I highlight and write in my books. Some people are like, I can't believe that you would write in your books. But this book is so lovely and so gorgeous that I don't think I want to mess it up. So how perfect will it be to have some book darts? So just wanted to share this fun unboxing with you guys. I love stuff like this, and as a book nerd, as I'm sure a bunch of you are, you have expressed in the comments here, those of you that watch my channel, that while yes, I do talk about lifestyle favorites and health and wellness, I do love a good book. I am working on writing my first book right now, and I'm gonna talk a lot more about books here on my channel, so I thought a wonderful way to kick that off, if you will, was to share this page one unboxing. So again, I will have links to page one, any information about any of these things that I can share with you. I'll put, of course, Anne's website, and Anne has a shop on her website where you can get these podcast stickers, because this is the name of her podcast, What Should I Read Next? And again, I'll put a link to the Carrot Top Paper Shop as well. This was just such a treat to my September to kick off my fall reading. And even though it's not quite fall outside. I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee, settle in with a good book, and pretty soon, hopefully, fall will come, right? Let's usher it in with some good reading. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, would you please click the little thumbs up down there? I would really, really appreciate that on the video. It just lets YouTube and myself know that you enjoy this content. And if you're new here to the channel, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe and hang out with all of us here at the channel. So I hope everyone's doing great on the other side of that screen. Take care. I will talk to you soon and see you in the next video. Happy reading, guys. Bye.